Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1971, that is find if path exists in graph, and in this we'll be given a bidirectional graph with n vertices where each vertex is labeled from 0 to n minus 1, and the edges in the graph are represented in the two integer array edges where edges I is equal to ui vi, which denotes that there is a bidirectional edge between ui and vi vertex, and every vertex pair is connected by at most one edge, and no edge means it has no self cycles. We need to determine that if there is a valid path between the source to destination, so we just need to find the path. If it's possible, then we have to return true, like if we start moving from node and source and end towards the destination. Okay, so in this we'll be given an edges and then digits and source to destination, and we have to return true if there is a valid path from source to destination, or else false. Okay, so first let's just declare the destination thing, but in the global only, so we don't have to pass it in the function again and again. Let's call it dest, and we'll be setting my dest equal to destination. Okay, and now let's have a list of integer, because we'll be creating a graph out of it. List of integer, let's call it adjacency list, that is equal to new array list. Okay, now what we'll be doing is that for int edge, in edges we'll be creating the graph. So firstly let's add n array list into the adjacency list, so that for int I equal to 0, I less than n I plus plus adjacency list dot add a new array list. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we'll be doing adjacency list dot get edge 0, and we'll be adding edge 1 to it, edge 1, and we'll be just copying this particular and we'll pasting it edge dot add edge 0 at edge 1. Okay, and now what we'll be doing is we'll be just checking the source. We'll be doing a DFS. Basically for that we'll be also having a boolean array that I'll declare like while I'm just passing it to the function. Okay, so let's just quickly return a DFS array, DFS function, and that will be passing the adjacency list, the visited array, which will be of new boolean of size n, and we need to pass the source as well. Okay, source. So now let's quickly write the DFS function, which is going to be a boolean, private boolean DFS. It will be having a list of integer, let's call it adjacency list, and the boolean array, boolean visited array, so as we don't, if to avoid the cycle condition. And also let's have the node, int node. Okay, and we'll be checking first that if my node is equal to my destination node, so I have to return true. In this case, return true. Else what I'll be doing is I'll be setting visited node equal to true, and then for int child of that particular node in adjacency list dot get node, and we'll be checking that if my child is not visited, if not visited child. And okay, so firstly this condition, so and now I have to check that if my DFS returns true. So if like I'm passing it in the list, the visited array, the this particular child, if it returns me true, so in this case I have to return a true. Else after this whole function I'll just return false. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.